It happened yesterday, but until they can get their hands on some replacement parts for this outdoor refrigerator, staff here at Arlington Food Bank have taken matters into their own hands, using a forklift to put this slab of stone in front of their refrigerator in hopes of preventing further theft of their perishables.
Oh, it looks like he hit it maybe with a sledgehammer.
A break-in no one saw coming. A theft of refrigerated foods.
They took about 6 cases of the Kirkland brand hams.
That's about 25 hams. But that's not all.
600 gallons of milk and enough eggs for 600 households.
Expensive products for a food bank.
Anything that he could have wanted, he could have come in the front door.
You can see the perpetrator putting cases in a truck.
6 cases of yogurt. I think he also took a case of sour cream and cottage cheese.
Arlington Food Bank leaders say this has never happened, let alone on a year like this where they're already stretched thin.
Thanksgiving, we served 889 households compared to 494 last year.
The executive director shared what her reaction was when she found out.
Stunned. I said, oh my gosh.
The timing was brutal. Their holiday spirits dampened.
You can see how heavy duty this is all the way across.
On the same morning, they'd launched their holiday distribution.
Our holiday spending budget is significantly more than the rest of the year because we get all the essentials so you could have a nice holiday dinner, and that's what he made the impact on.
It's unclear what the suspect planned to do with nearly $1,000 worth of yogurt and ham.
I don't understand.
But what is for certain, Arlington police wasted no time in going after him.
And they kind of lost him probably on some logging roads, and they instilled K-9 units and drones and were able to locate him.
He's now in custody, as Arlington Food Bank is left with potentially thousands in repairs.
I'm not sure yet. We maybe even have to replace the whole door.
But no one's going to hinder their holiday spirit of giving.
We're strong, we're resilient. We learned that during COVID. So what he took, we were still able to distribute yesterday. Is what will happen is next Friday, our last distribution, we will run short. So we hope to replenish it by then.
Arlington police say that man had multiple warrants out for his arrest when they took him into custody, and that he's now in Snohomish County Jail facing multiple charges, including burglary. Now, here at Arlington Community Food Bank, they're hoping for monetary donations to help them in getting some more security features to keep their lots safe from further theft. Reporting in Snohomish County, I'm Maddie White, King 5 News.